Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the slow cooking mode on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. In the slow cook mode, you can set the temperature between 95 and 37 degrees of Celsius and set the time for probably up to 12 hours. Let me verify that. No, sorry, up to 8 hours. And in that mode, the ingredients will slowly cook. Now, ensure that the maximum weight of the meat is 800 grams if you are adding meat. And to avoid limescale deposits and discoloration, you should add a splash of wine, apple juice, or lemon juice, depending on the dish. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.